Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you're all doing awesome. And if you're watching this video, chances are you've been looking into a Lootup.me or a Lootup app and wondering if it's legit or just another app promising you to make quick cash. Well, you're in the right place because in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. My name is Felix and I'm going to cover exactly how Lootup works, how it rewards users, the types of tests you'll be doing, and most importantly, how much money you can realistically make from this app. You'll also hear from other users about their experiences. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know to decide if Lootup.me is worth your time. But before we dive into that, let me ask you something. Most likely, if you're searching apps like that, then you're probably looking to make a real consistent income online. Maybe you want to replace your current income situation with something that is more solid. Maybe you want to earn a secondary income where you don't necessarily have to travel anywhere for it, but do it from the comfort of your house. So whatever it might be, because if you're serious about creating a steady stream of income, something that can bring you $400 to $1,000 per day, then I've got something special for you. I'm going to share a link down below in the description to a free presentation that shows you exactly how I generate that kind of income every day. I know it sounds a bit wild, but I've been doing this for a while and I'm sure you can do the same. I also created a completely free training where you can learn about my favorite strategy that I employ to earn a full-time income online, like earning $5,000 to $10,000 per month. This strategy has worked for me and hundreds of other people, and I'm excited to share that with you. The link is in the description as well, so make sure to check that out if that's something you're interested in. All right, now let's get back to why you're really here. Lootup.me. You've probably seen the ads or heard people talking about how you can make money by completing surveys, watching videos, and doing other simple tasks on this platform. Sounds good, right? But can you really make money? And if so, how much? Let's break it down. How Lootup.me works. Lootup is a pretty straightforward app. It's a get-paid site that allows users to earn points by completing various tasks. These tasks can include taking surveys, watching short videos, playing games, or even referring friends. Once you accumulate enough points, you can cash them out for PayPal money, gift cards, or even cryptocurrency. It's basically a way for companies to get consumer feedback, and they pay Lootup, who in turn pays you a portion of that money. So what's the catch? Here's where it gets a little tricky. While it's true that you can make money on Lootup, it's important to understand that this app is not going to make you rich. It's great for earning a few bucks in your spare time, maybe even enough to pay for coffee, a meal, or to put towards small expenses. But if you're thinking this is going to replace a full-time job or be a life-changing source of income, it's probably not going to happen. So the payouts can be slow depending upon how much time you're putting in, and the tasks themselves don't always pay a lot. So what do users say? I've done some digging, and from what I've seen, the feedback on Lootup is a bit mixed. Some users report making a decent side income nothing major, but enough to be worth their time. They talk about the flexibility and the fact that you can work at your own pace. However, others complain about lower paying tasks, disqualifications from surveys, and delays in receiving payouts. In short, the experience can vary, so it's important to manage your expectations. So here's the reality. While apps like Lootup can be fun and give you a few extra dollars here and there, if you're really serious about making real money online, there are better, more efficient ways to do it. Lootup won't make you wealthy, and it won't give you the financial freedom you're probably looking for. Think of it as a small-time hustle rather than a real business opportunity. If you want to earn real substantial money online, I can show you how I personally generate $400 to $1,000 per day using proven strategies. Remember, the link to that free presentation is down below. And if you want to just learn in general how to earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month, there is a separate link to my free training as well. Trust me, this is where the real opportunity lies. So what's the final thoughts on Lootup? To wrap things up, Lootup is really legit. You can definitely make some extra money by completing tasks, and for some people, that's exactly what they're looking for. If, it's easy to use. It doesn't require any major investment or money up front. It doesn't require investment of time, and you can work on your own schedule. But just remember, you're not going to get rich off it. But hey, listen, if you've got some spare time and want to make a few extra bucks, it could be worth trying out. I hope this review helped you understand whether or not Lootup is right for you. And if you found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews like this. And as always, check out the links below for more ways to make money online. If you're ready to dive deeper and learn how to make real substantial income online, click the first link for the free presentation. And if you're interested in learning how to build a full-time income stream, check out my free training by clicking on the second link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.